mango juice. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So now
You were supposed to do it like that.
no, that's silent. Okay guys. All I need to do, guys, how to DIY fidget spinner, guys. All I need to do is a cup. Yeah, this cup with some hot water and soap. Put a soap in a hot water. Some your fidget spinner. Yeah, some hard thing if you're hard to remove your fidget spinner, and WD-40 and some tissue paper later that because that's the end. Yeah. Okay, first step, remove your cups from the fidget spinner. Yeah, I removed that. And second step, remove your bearings from the fidget spinner.
Use a wooden thing like hard, something hard.
Like that, something hard.
Yep.
Yeah. After that, give me a cone. Here's my, we have a tissue paper. This is the tissue paper, guys. We're gonna grab some 2 pieces of the tissue paper. Okay, come on. Okay, guys. After that, gonna apply some.
That's much better.
Yeah, this. And some plastic because we're gonna shake that bearing. All I need to do is put the bearing side of hot water. Yeah, like that. This is the part, guys. The other one is not working my fidget spinner because it's cold water. It don't have a hot water there, guys. Yeah. Gonna get some. Okay, after that, gonna yeah. So we're gonna after that you have a asthma, right? Use a face mask, guys, like in your mouth, because this is made from oil. So we can go here.
Do this.
Yeah, do this, guys, like that for free. My camera woman is paid. Yeah, come on.
Clever girl.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna remove from here.
Oh,
Here, microwave. Come on, what?
that was so close.
So that was.
I almost turned it off.
Okay. After that, guys, we're gonna just shake. Just only. Yeah. The other one and the other one. Like that. Come on, guys. From here, all you need to do is a plastic. This is step 4. Yeah, guys, this is step 4. Yeah. I'm gonna get some WD-40, then spray
Again?
in the plastic. Just only a little bit up. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at the oil. Then put your bearing here. Then close it because you're gonna shake it up like that. So where's the WD-40? We're gonna spray. Gonna spray the WD-40 again. Yeah. So okay, where's the cap? Where's the cap of WD-40? There. Okay, we're gonna finish from WD-40. Remember, WD-40 is a dangerous for children.
Do not eat it. Do not drink it.
Yeah, because it's oil, guys. Gonna shake it up for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Yeah. If you haven't, guys, if you don't want like that, take one. I have a memory card like that. Yeah. What the heck, guys? Look at that. It's raining now. Yeah. After that, yeah, it's raining. Haha. Okay, it's currently, yeah, that's that. Did you see or not? That's the oil, the oil. And if you want to clean your bearing, use a WD-40. And if your child like 7 years old,
Or 5 or
yeah, like that. If you
yeah.
have a fidget spinner, said to your
Mom to help you.
or
Ask a parent.
yeah, or guardian, or of your brother, sister, older than you, yeah. Then he got your sister or brother spray in the
Hot
at that.
water. That's
Look at that, guys. That's so very dangerous.
Alright guys,
After 1 minute of shaking, come on, okay, it should be like this. Yeah.
uh-oh.
Let's go. It should be like this. I'm currently 15%. I don't have a, so you really, 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 really care. Don't carefulness. Care is the most one thing to ever I heard. Yeah, guys, that's the if you want a if you don't have a plastic, you can use a something like this, like that, and with cup, and with cup, yeah, like a microwavable, like that, microwavable for the school, your snack, your lunch in school, yeah. Then you scroll it down, scroll like 10 to 30 seconds, like that. 15 to 30 seconds, I mean.
Guys, I'm getting so wet right now.
Because
It's raining. It's falling. The old man is snoring.
Okay, guys. After that,
Raining
guys, I
again.
should be like here. I'm gonna wait for I'm gonna spray this because I have a one more DIY. Okay, guys, come on. Okay.
Uh-oh, your mom is there.
Okay, here. If you want a DIY lampshade, all you need to do is a cap, disposable cap, and some flashlight. Yeah, working flashlight. All you need to do is put the cup. Don't remove it. Put the cup. Put the flashlight here. Yeah, and turn on the flashlight. Should be like this. Go to your bedroom, if not, yeah.
It's very simple, guys.
Yeah, it's very simple, guys. Okay, come on, let's go again to the working, guys. Okay, after that, guys, these are like that. Okay, it should be like this. Yeah, this the bearing. You're gonna really then go again your cup here. Then the go here, then go again your cups. Should be like this. Yeah, that's good.
And if you want more DIYs, it's
Yeah,
right in the description below.
What link in the description below? Comment below.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want to make a Hello Kitty fidget
Fidget
spinner,
spinners. Stay tuned on his channel, future channel, Rainbow
Rainbow World.
World.
Because
Okay,
I
guys,
love
that's only
rainbow.
right here. Yeah, that's only, guys. We're gonna waste this. Yeah, guys. Okay, guys, thank you all for watching. For more
DIYs.
DIYs, comment down below, and see you guys next vlog. Next again. Bye.
Bye, guys.